good morning all of you. I am Razia Patel from Namaji Vidyapith channel. Third. So students, today we'll start in the third standard, worksheet number 24 and 25. But before starting that worksheet, I'll show you something, the solving the word problems. How to solve the word problems over here. So students, whenever we start the word problems, we'll use the Narrow's method. Correct? So in that Narrow's method, that we have to write the number 1, N, A, B, D, O, S. What was that? So then that means step number 1, numbers, that means numbers in keywords. A, that means what is asked in the question. D, that means row for understand. O, that means which operation we'll use. And S, that means solution the problems. So students, let's now solve some word problems using the Narrow strategy. So students, here is one question. Jay play football for 26 minutes in a 1 week, 184 minutes in a 2 weeks routinely. ठीक है. Now how many more minutes did he play football in a week? वो week में in a 2 week में कितने football वो play करता है, that we have to find. So first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. So numbers are 126, 184 minutes, roughly, and many more. Now ask, what is asking the question? Roughly how many more minutes did he play football in a week? And row for understand, so we have to draw the two boxes, 182, 184 and 126 extra minutes are there, right? Now operations, so we need to find the roughly how many more minutes did he play in a week, 2 weeks. So we need to round off the numbers of numbers to find the estimates difference. Estimates difference we have to find. So we need to find the how many more minutes did Jay play football week 2, so that we should subtract the numbers minutes in each week. हमें subtraction करना है. Okay. So in that find the tens place. First of all we have to find the tens place. So 10 place are 8 and 8 is there, right? To find the ones place, 1 place is 4 ones and tens. So if the digit is ones place is less than 5, अगर 5 से कम है digits, ठीक है, keep the digit tens place the same, change the digit if ones place is 0. Now अभी देखो 5 से 4 is less than 5, right? Hence the number will be become 180. या हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, वो जो नंबर है उसको 0 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So that number is a 180 is there, right? Correct as it is. अगर हम रख दे तो 180 is है. So extra 180 numbers are there. Then second one number is a 126. So what we have to do? 126. So 6 is greater than 5. So we have to add the more. So that hence number will be become a 130. So 180 minus 130. So extra minutes is equal to 15. So he play football for roughly 15 minutes in a 2 week. 15 minutes week 2 week में वो 15 minutes से वो run कर रहा है, ठीक है. Now I'll give you one with students. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now let's start second one. The same steps the following for the estimate sums problems. The only difference is at the rounding the numbers. हम जो word problems करते हैं like that only estimates the word problems we have to do it. But what was the changes we are doing over here? We have to round the number and then we have to get the answer. Got it everyone? So I hope so students your work is complete. Now we will start the next worksheet, worksheet number 24. Okay students, now we will start worksheet number 24. Estimate sums and difference are there. So students, there is a round a number to nearest tens are there. So हमें क्या करना है, नंबर को राउंड ऑफ करना है. ठीक है. So here is a number 123 and 157 is there. So first of all we have to find the tens place. So here is a 10 place is a 2, right? So look at the ones place. Now we have to look at the ones place is a 3. So 3 is a less than 5. 3 is a less than 5, right? Ones place less than 5 is there. So we have to write over here yes. 3 है वो 5 से छोटा है, करेक्ट. इफ़ यस देन द प्लेस स्टे द सेम. नाउ हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 123 है, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सेम नंबर्स वी हैव टू राइट ओवर हियर. सो जो ये 3 है वो एज इट इज़ 2 है, बट टेंस का प्लेस है वो हम एज इट इज़ रखेंगे, एंड 3 है उसको बिकम 0. 0 में हम उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स द 120, राइट. बट now look at over here, 157 is there. So we have to find the place of tens is 5. Now we have to look at the place of 7. So 7 is a bigger number than 5, correct. So 7 is a greater number to 5 or greater number to 5, but not a smaller number to 5. So here we have to write the no. Then if the 5 is a greater number than 7, then what we have to do, we have to add the one more number. That means 5 के अंदर हम one number है वो ऐड करेंगे. That means 16 is there. 1 6 16 and 7 को हम 0 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. That means we'll get the answer 160. Okay. So students, I hope you all are understand. Now I'll give you half an minute. You have to write this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll find the sums and difference. Okay, so what we have to do students, now see 121 plus 256. So first of all we have to round off the numbers. So 121 को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे 120 में, because 1 is a smaller number than 5. So 120. 156. So 6 is a bigger number than 5. So here we have to write 260, right? Now 120 plus 260, so is equal to answer is 380. So estimate sums is equal to 380. Got it? Now same method we are follow over here. 431 minus 127. So 431. So we have to round up the number. So 430. And 127, so here we have to round off the number 130, right? So 430 minus 130 is equal to 300, is equal to 300. Now I hope so students, I'll give you 1 minute. So students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. students, I hope your work is complete. Now we will start next worksheet, worksheet number 25. Now students, will start worksheet number 25, estimate sums and difference. So here we have to write standard third, maths, unit 2, worksheet number 25. Now find the sums. First one question is find the sum using estimation. So students, first one sum is 21 plus 49. So what we have to do, we have to राउंड ऑफ इट. सो हम सबसे पहले 21 को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. सो दैट मीन्स 20 प्लस 49 इज देयर. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट 50. सो इज इक्वल टू आंसर इज 20 प्लस 50. आंसर इज 17. आंसर इज 17. देन second one, B1 sum, we have to write here 103 plus 298. Round off it. So 103. So here we have to write 100 plus 298. So here we have to write 300. राउंड ऑफ हम लोगों ने कर लिया. ठीक है. सो आंसर इज 400. आंसर इज 400. Now students, I'll give you one miss. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we will start next sum. C1 sum 263 plus 124 is there. So we have to do the round off first. 263 round off is 260. 124 round off it 120 is equal to 0 as it is. 6 plus 2, 6 and 7, 8. So here we have to write 8. 2 plus 1, 3. So 380 is the answer. Then next D1 sum students 281 plus 135. So round off इसको करेंगे. So 280 plus 140 plus 140. So 4 as it is. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 0 as it is. 8 plus 4, 12. Right here 2, 1 is a carryover. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So answer is 420. Now students, I'll give you one minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum, even sum. So in that question is 739 plus 201. So here round off हम करेंगे. So 740 plus 200. 0 as it is, 4 plus 0 4, 7 plus 2 7 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 7, then 8 and 9. So here we have to write 9. Answer is 440. Next question is 281 F1 sum. 281 plus 136 is there. राउंड ऑफ हम करेंगे. सो 280 प्लस 140. 0 as it is. 8 plus 4 12. Right here 2 1 is a carry over. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Right here 4. Answer is 420. Now I'll give you 1 minute students. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Question number 2 is find the difference using estimation. So first one sum is 21 minus 16. We have to round off it. 21 minus 16 is there, right? So 20 minus 20, 20 minus 20, because of the we are here, we are doing the round of it. Here we are doing the round of it. So 20 minus 20 is there. So what was the answer is students? Answer become a 0. Answer become a 0. Now B1 question, 598 minus 256. So if we are doing the round of here, so 500, that means 600 minus 300 is there. So answer is 600 minus 560, 256 is there. So here we have to write round of it. If we are doing the round of it, then 260. So answer become a 340. Now next question, C1 question students. 681 minus 126, round of it. So 680 minus 130. So answer is 555. Answer is 555. Next sum, D1 question, 190 minus 61. So here 120 minus 60. Answer is 16. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to write these sums in your maths workbook, page number 57. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 25, and that worksheet you have to send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete the worksheet number 25 and send it to me before 1:30. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.